This is Jeffrey with the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington, with the weekly weather briefing for Monday, November 24th, 2014. Let's go through the forecast for the next week. So here's a quick rundown of the next 7 days. Rain and mountain snow develops later Monday into Tuesday. Midweek it looks pretty mild, with the precipitation shifting into the mountains. We're expecting some rises on area waterways. Precipitation chances expand back across the region Friday with the cold front. That front brings colder air in by the weekend into next week, with some potential for snow by next Sunday night or Monday. The region will be under two basic weather patterns over the next week. The first and predominant pattern is seen in this slide. The jet stream, the pink line, represents the general storm track from Monday to Thursday. A front lingers near the U.S.-Canadian border. Systems and mild, moist air come in on this jet stream to interact with that front, resulting in periods of rain and mountain snows, especially tonight through Tuesday night. Wednesday and Thursday, the front near the U.S.-Canadian border nudges north, and the better precipitation threat retreats to the mountains. By next weekend, the weather pattern changes. A system comes in Friday into Friday night, revitalizing the precipitation across the region. The jet stream drops south and temperatures drop back below average by Saturday and Sunday. A system approaches from the southwest towards Sunday night and Monday of next week. This may result in some snow, including potential impacts on the Monday morning compute. But right now, confidence in timing and amounts is low. Here is the forecast for Spokane over the next week, but it is representative of the trend across the region. It basically shows above normal temperatures and high precipitation chances throughout the week, before the cool down by the weekend. An interesting note about the warm-up, the forecast low in Spokane for Wednesday right now is 38. This is 1 degree above the normal high for that date. So over the next 24 to 36 hours, much of the region will see rain or snow. Here is an image of the liquid precipitation amounts over the next 36 hours, from 4 p.m. Monday to 4 a.m. Wednesday. The main area that may miss out on any significant precipitation will be in the lee of the Cascades and deeper Columbia Basin, places like Wenatchee and Moses Lake. Elsewhere, precipitation amounts between 1/4 to 1/2 inch are possible, with amounts near 1 inch to 1.5 inches in the mountains. How does that translate to snow? Let's look at the next few slides. Monday evening, our snow levels will range from near 1,000 to 2,000 feet over the northern counties to 3,000 to 4,000 feet elsewhere. However, snow levels will begin to rise overnight. By Tuesday morning, snow levels rise to an average of 2,500 to 3,500 feet over the northern counties, near 4,000 feet toward Lookout Pass, and above 5,000 to 6,000 feet elsewhere. By Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, most snow levels over the region will be above 6,000 feet. The main exception may be towards northern Ferry, Stevens, Pend Oreille, and Boundary counties, but generally still above 2,500 feet here. So this translates to the amount of snow shown in this slide. These totals are from the 36-hour period between 4 p.m. Monday to 4 a.m. Tuesday. The most significant snows will be above 4,000 feet. Winter weather advisories are in place above 4,000 feet for the northeast Washington and northern and central panhandle from 4 p.m. Monday this afternoon through 10 p.m. Tuesday. Roughly, this is the area outlined in the dashed yellow line. This impacts areas such as from Wallace to Lookout Pass and Sherman Pass, with 3 to 8 inches of snow and locally near 1 foot in some higher mountains. However, snow-covered roads will be possible across the northern valleys too, including areas around such as Republic, Ione, and Barnes Ferry this afternoon and tonight. A general 1 to 2 inches is possible, with isolated amounts around 3 inches, before snow levels rise Tuesday. Going into Wednesday, snow levels will be above 6,000 feet over most of the region. The precipitation threat declines over most of the lowlands through Thursday, yet the mountains will continue to see some moderate to high precipitation chances. The precipitation threat increases across the region again as a cold front comes in Friday into Friday night. So because of the potential for some heavy precipitation through the week, and an early season freeze-up that left some areas with frozen ground, enhanced runoff may cause creeks to rise quickly and may cause nuisance flooding in low-lying areas and roads, including the Palouse of Washington and Idaho. The River Forecast Center shows rises on most main stem waterways, but most are forecast to stay below action stage. For up to the minute stages, go to the site water.weather.gov. A brief look at the longer term. There is some model agreement showing the ridge of high pressure will re-amplify over the west going into December. So the 8 to 14 day outlook for the Climate Prediction Center shows above average temperatures along the west coast, with above average precipitation threat. Here is a summary of the main impacts. Periods of rain through the week, snow impacts tonight near the Canadian border, and tonight and Tuesday in the mountains. Some rises on area waterways around midweek, before we get colder by the weekend, and some threat of snow returns. Please monitor our forecast throughout the week for updates. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you for tuning in to this weekly weather briefing, and happy Thanksgiving.